Gone are the days when people whiz through traffic on skateboards and rollerblades. Today, we have motorized self-balancing devices, the hoverboards. What used to be a fantasy in the 80s is now a reality. While skateboards and rollerblades are still popular, hoverboards are the hottest new trend. Not only are they cool and fun to ride, but they can also be an effective mode of personal transportation. Unfortunately, with all the numerous brands and models available in the market, it can be quite challenging to identify the best hoverboards. We have listed the top 5 hoverboards for beginners and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Number 5. Gyro Hoverboard Warrior. The Gyro Hoverboard Warrior makes the list for the best off-road hoverboard. This is the best SUV version of a hoverboard for the kids that travels at just under 10 miles per hour. Its self-balancing technology makes it safe and easier for beginners and only takes a few minutes to master. It's an all-terrain scooter. Your kids can ride like a warrior on this electric scooter. They'll be able to ride on grass, dirt, gravel, even wet surfaces, with the 8.5-inch solid tires. The 350-watt dual motors will ensure a smooth and easy ride no matter the type of terrain. It comes with Bluetooth speakers. While your kids are out on their new off-road hoverboard, they'll be listening to their favorite tunes. This product has a built-in high-quality music Bluetooth speaker that allows for kids to listen to branded music as they're riding around. It has an LED light system. These red and blue LED lights let you know when and how much the hoverboard is charged. This is a great product and worth every penny. It's very easy to ride and takes hardly any time at all to get the hang of. They also agree that it's built tough and is a smooth ride. Number 4. Syzygat Hoverboard. The Syzygat hoverboard has been around for some time now and remains a firm favorite worldwide. It also comes in an extensive range of cool colors, each with a Bluetooth speaker built into the desk. Currently up for grabs at its lowest price, it's worth well checking out as an affordable entry-level option. The Syzygat hoverboard comes backed by an extensive warranty and a 30-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. Charging times vary from around 3 to 5 hours, after which the battery provides around 30 minutes of ride time. According to the manufacturer, the Syzygat hoverboard has an impressive maximum weight capacity of 200 pounds. The powerful motors are capable of dealing with an incline of 10 degrees and guarantee a smooth and stable ride. Every board features a Bluetooth speaker built into the desk for added entertainment on the go. Super bright LEDs makes for an eye-catching appearance and boost visibility in dark riding conditions. It's also a comparatively lightweight, self-balancing scooter, making it easy to transport and carry when not in use. All boards from this manufacturer feature UL 2272 safety certification for total peace of mind. Number 3. Hover One Helix Electric Hoverboard. The Hover One Helix Electric Hoverboard boasts a powerful 400-watt motor that is powered by a built-in 36-volt lithium-ion battery. Its motor produces enough torque to scale inclines up to 15 degrees, and thanks to its well-calibrated gyroscope and acceleration sensors, the hoverboard is pretty easy to mount and ride. Its battery will take up to 6 hours to charge to full capacity, and since it also features a built-in Bluetooth speaker, owners will be able to connect and play their favorite music. Still, some might not like that the scooter cannot be used in harsh road conditions. Once owners download its corresponding app, they will be able to switch between 3 skill modes, enable GPS tracking, and customize the LED lighting sequence to their own taste. Riders will also receive alerts when they're speeding or riding on dangerous ground. And since the hoverboard has a weight limit of 160 pounds, it'll easily support heavy-set weight of both kids and adults. Number 2. Swagtron T6 Outlaw. Swagtron T6 Outlaw is a heavy-duty hoverboard designed to give you more speed and more power. It is a part of the T-Series and an upgrade on the Swagtron T5 model. It comes with many advanced features including Bluetooth app control, Bluetooth speakers, and LED headlamps. However, what makes it great are the unique features that it combines, which are all-terrain capable. Huge max weight limit and built-in carrying strap. The Swagtron T6 is built quite solid and weighs a whopping 32 pounds due to its huge 10-inch wheels and heavy trail grips. These massive tubeless wheels enable you to cruise over any terrain, whether grass, mud, or gravel, without losing stability. The weight capacity is another remarkable feature of the Swagtron T6, as it can carry around 420 pounds. This means it's suitable for all ages. It's more of an adult hoverboard. It boasts 300-watt dual motors that make it very powerful, enabling it to handle the huge weight and perform exemplary on hilly and rough terrains. Besides this, the dual monitor offers sufficient torque to support 30-degree inclines with a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour. When it's fully charged, the electric self-balancing hoverboard can go for a distance of 12 miles, and the battery requires 3 hours to recharge fully. These superior features make it the best hoverboard for heavy riders and adults, especially those who are experienced. The professionals at Swagtron have tried to assist with steering and control by offering various settings that can be adjusted depending on the rider's experience. This is possible through a Bluetooth mobile app that adjusts steering sensitivity together with power limiters for the motors. The Swagtron 36 is also UL 2272 approved, which means that it has undergone a strict quality test and it's safe to use. While it's a costly device, the Swagtron T6 is one of the best hoverboards you will get in the market. Great performance at a fair price. Number 1. Tomolu Music Rhythmed Hoverboard. This Tomolu hoverboard is a perfect mix of value and cool features. It has a cruising speed of up to 7.45 miles per hour. It's UL 2272 certified. Both the hoverboard and its battery have been UL 2272 certified, so you know right away that you're getting a safe product that meets the highest of safety standards. This has Bluetooth technology. The built-in Bluetooth 4.0 technology and seamless cavity design provide for an unbeatable stereo surround sound. Most of the cell balancing boards in this video come with some sort of Bluetooth technology, so your kids will be able to wirelessly listen to their favorite songs while cruising on their hoverboard. It features LED lights, coupled with a surround sound with awesome LED lights, and you have a colorful light show while riding your Tomolu Music Rhythm hoverboard. The lights change color and twinkle as the rhythm changes. LED lights are also a function on almost all of these boards, making them safe and convenient to use at night. This product comes with a mobile app. It only works with Chinese-based phones. It is, however, good for changing music. It has absolutely great reviews. The Tomolu hoverboard has absolutely amazing reviews. Parents agree that this is a great hoverboard for their kids, regardless of age. It comes highly recommended and is the best hoverboard. While we can't validate that, we'll leave that up to you to decide. Buying guide. Your first consideration should be how to ride safely. Hoverboards are just like skateboards, scooters, and bicycles when it comes to essential protective gear. That means wearing a high-quality helmets along with elbow and knee guards. Hoverboards are a new technology with a bit of a learning curve, including knowing what to look for when buying one. For example, some models are designed specifically for kids with weight limits that top around 150 pounds, while others are designed for a larger rider. Where you're planning or riding will also matter, as certain models with plastic wheels make for great options on paved roads, while others with inflatable tires can handle the rugged terrain that comes with off-roading. Other key features such as battery life, charging time, and product weight, along with fun features like Bluetooth speakers and LED lights can also factor in, depending on how you plan to use your new ride. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.